Every year, there are numerous domestic fire accidents in Hong Kong. Most of them are caused by people's carelessness or ignorance of basic fire safety precautions. These fires often ruin homes and bring about tragic loss of family members and property. In fact, these fires can easily be prevented if proper safety precautions are taken. Cigarette butts, improper use of electrical appliances, damaged wirings, overloading a socket, and loss of attention while cooking are common causes of domestic fire in Hong Kong. To prevent domestic fire, we should pay special attention to these common causes of fire. Ashtrays should always be used while smoking in the home. Do not leave cigarette butts on a sofa or a chair, as they can be easily ignited by a lighted cigarette butt. In recent years, there were several fire accidents caused by short circuits in television sets. To prevent these accidents, you should always turn off the main switch of an electrical appliance which is not in use. You should also allow sufficient space around your electrical appliances to prevent overheating. Never connect too many plugs to the same socket, as this will overload the socket and produce too much heat. The kitchen is probably the most dangerous place in your home, as it is where easily combustible substances such as fuels, matches and cooking oil are stored. To prevent fire in the kitchen, make sure that the stove is kept clear of waste paper and other combustible substances. You should always take care when cooking and do not leave your cooking unattended. Your gas appliances should be checked regularly by a qualified technician to ensure that they are safe to use. In winter, it is common for people to use electric heaters to warm their bedrooms. However, the mattresses could be set on fire by the heater. Therefore, never place heaters too close to your bed. Also, do not dry your clothes on top of heaters, as they may set your clothes on fire. If you can take all these fire safety precautions, your home will be much safer to live. But this is not enough. Do tell your family members, friends and neighbours about these safety precautions. With their help and cooperation, we can avoid many more fire accidents caused by carelessness.